Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 66 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This is the daily devotional called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young. It's absolutely awesome. I mean, it really, really is awesome. It really teaches you a lot about trusting God. It's just a really good devotional. If you've missed any of the previous episodes to this, there is a playlist in the description box, and I guess we'll get started. Let's jump in. Okay, number 66. Let me give you all the verses for today. And excuse the Coca-Cola stain. I had a Coke spill, and yeah, anyways. But I do like to give you guys these verses. That way you can kind of go and see how the Lord uses these throughout your day. Okay. Hey, Bob. Okay. Continue on this path with me, enjoying my presence even in adversity. I am always before you as well as alongside you. See me beckoning to you, come follow me. The one who goes ahead of you, opening up the way, is the same one who stays close and never lets go of your hand. I am not subject to limitations of time or space. I am everywhere at every time, ceaselessly working on your behalf. That is why your best efforts are trusting me and living close to me. I am everywhere at every time, ceaselessly working on your behalf. Okay, let's do the verses. Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not anxiously look about, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. Surely I will help you. Surely I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Isaiah 41:10. Very good verse. I will strengthen you. Surely I will help you. Okay. Therefore, he is able to save completely those who come to God through him, because he always lives to intercede for them. Hebrews 7:25. Trust in the Lord and do good. Dwell in the land and enjoy safe pasture. Delight yourself in the Lord, and he will give you the desires of your heart. Did you hear that? Delight yourself in the Lord, and he will give you the desires of your heart. Psalms 37:3-4. You know, sometimes the closer we get to God, the desires of our heart change. You don't have the same desires. God starts to put the desires in you for the things that he has created you for and for the life that he has created for you. You just got to get close to God. He's always there. Always. I promise you that. I know that for a fact. No matter what, no matter how confused or angry or it doesn't matter. He's there. He's just waiting on you. Thank God for that. All right. If you guys have enjoyed this video today, please give it a thumbs up. It does help my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with me today. and y'all have a blessed day.